Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to securely share files in Dropbox. So for this, first of all, let's say I uploaded this picture or video here and now we want to share it. So for this, there we have the share option, click on it. Now we have three options to share the file. First of all, you can add a people, then you can copy the link. The next one is you can transfer a copy or you can QR code from here. If you want to add people in your file, then you can click on add people, add their email address and they will be added. If you want to share a link, click on copy link and the link will be copied. Now you can easily share it with them. The next option we have is transfer a copy. So click on transfer a copy and a copy will be transferred to them. Next we have the QR code option. You can generate a QR code, send it to them. They can simply scan it and they will have access to the file. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.